Hi everyone, we are going to be learning the use of functions here on Python. So we have three exercises here. We have the exercise number 5, the exercise number 6, and finally the exercise number 7. The first one, it's just pretty basic stuff. We have just two functions here and we are going to be watching the results in order. So we have the first function that we are calling, it's gen function. Then we have the fret function and finally gen function again. So it's going to print sub, then no, I mean it's going to print ABC, then it's going to print sub, and then it's going to print ABC again. So let's run the program so you can see this. As you can see, it says ABC, then it says sub, and finally it says ABC again. So it's just an easy understanding of the use of functions. Now we have a really easy one as well. We have the cálculo salario from the last video, but in this case we are using the function. We have in the function the if and it has the else as well. So what it's going to print is the result in both cases. But if the cálculo salario is above 40, it's going to do this case. Otherwise, it's going to go with the else. And as you can see, it has the result here in the return. So what we are doing is actually um, how can I say this? Well, it's just calling the function using the result because the result is a variable that it has the the result of the exercise here. So let's run the program so you can see how this works. Hours work, let's say around 12, below 40. The rate, let's go with a 1.5. And as you can see, the hours work and the rate, doing simple maths, it says that we have a salary of 18. So if we put anything above 40, it's going to go with the else case. So let's see, a 40, 42, for example, and 1.5 as well. So it's going with the else here. Let's go, my bad. Okay, so it's going here. As you can see, it says 64.5, and that's it for the second exercise, the exercise number 6. Now let's go with the exercise number 7 and the final one. So, as you can see, this is the same exercise from the last video, but in this case we're using the function cálculo qualification or grade calculus, but in this case we are not using the variable to print the result. We're just calling out the function. So it just says cálculo guión bajo calification. So let's run the program so you can see here what happens. So if the value is out of range, it's going to tell you, because in this case I put 23 here, and 23 is way above the range. It's from 0.0 to 1.0. So if I want to go in the else cases, I need it to be between those two values. So let's run it again and let's put a 1.1. No, let's put a zero point 0.6 for example. So let's go with that 0.6. So it says enough because it went directly between these two values from zero point 0.6 to 0.7, and it just says enough. So that's everything for this video. Thank you for watching it, and see you guys.